the demand for electric cooking items, cooking instruments. There is now the demand for cooktops is increasing because of supply, LPG supply disruptions, and of course the domestic suppliers are not affected much, but the commercial sector, maybe hotels, hostels, hospitals, restaurants, all are affected because of the disruptions in LPG supply for the consumer. That is affecting the their market. West Asia crisis, because of West Asia crisis, is increasing the demand for electric cooking, reducing reliance on conventional fuels. That is the emerging situation in India. This support for induction laughs under PM Suryagar Mufti Bijli Yojana. Muft Bijli Yojana means because of war in Gulf War, some households from shifting from LPG to solar powered electric usage. This is the most this is the most thing happening in the in so many parts of the in many parts of Indian consumers to encourage usage, not just ownership of the appliances. The India's household LPG consumption exceeding 30 million tons with more than 320 million active connections. Okay, active connections means there are 32 crores active LPG connections are domestic connections are there. All these are using LPG supplied by the government from source the Gulf countries. Now these people are many of these consumers are planning to shift to electric electric cooktops usage, so that the dependence on LPG will come down. This will include those recently upgraded to the clean cooking fuel supply grid through the Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana. This is enhancing local production with a big push for adoption of with some support, induction of cooktops to make electric cooking more affordable. This usage of electric cooktops is making the consumers more comfortable and affordable because of reduced price. This LPG supply issue is also encouraging the demand for electric cooktops and also encouraging manufacturers to go for to increase the production. The reduced GST from 18% to 5% is also encouraging consumers to go for electric appliances for cooking. The demand supply challenges in the induction cooktop sector and assess immediate measures for stabilizing product supply and prices. This is the shift is expecting is that the cooktop should be the cooktops are electric cooktops are with visible flame. Additional spending on compatible utensils will reduce additional spending on compatible utensils. This will further increase the demand for electric cooktops. Go Electric campaign to raise awareness about e-cooking technologies, curb using LPG import dependence, and support a low carbon transition. E-cooking offers an alternative to fuel-based due to its lower import depend, higher efficiency, and reduced indoor air pollution, create safer household environment. These are the advantages by shifting to electric cooking in domestic. Enhance local production. The essential required for encouraging electric cooktops is to enhance the local production is a key factor driving for adoption of any cooking fuel in India. Compared to both traditional and modern fuels such as LPG and PNG, the usage of electric utensils, electric